Hi folks, and welcome to part 3 of the DANSETTE RG30. Earlier I said it was an RG31, it's actually in fact an RG30. But both units are electronically the same, basically. Right, what I've done here, right, if I just zoom in I can point a few things out. Right, move this back a bit. Right, what I've actually done, and move this a bit. Yeah, right. Right, what I've done, I've replaced these capacitors are already done and they're okay. And I've done this little capacitor down here, you can't see it. Why am I moving that about? I've got a fucking motorised fucking tripod. Right, what I've done, I've replaced the metal rectifier here with a silicon, and that's on a piece of terminal strip. Most people just stick it to the metal rectifier. I don't bother, I do it properly. Anyway, as I say, these capacitors here have been done and they were okay. And I've done this one here, done the rectifier, I've done this electrolytic here on the radio, and I've done these two capacitors here that were paper. They're now proper good correct value capacitors. I've soldered the wires back on for the AC power. I'm getting tired, folks. It's 4 AM in the morning. Right, I've soldered the wires back on for the AC, for the input to the transformer. The power lead will go here onto these two connectors, and I have been checking as I've been going along to make sure that I don't make any mistakes, because I check anyway. I know we're alright there. Yep. Power lead will solder here, live and neutral. The earth will go on the transformer. It can go pretty much anywhere on the transformer because the transformer's earthed from down here all the way up to here, and across, and on this pin here as well. And I've soldered the transformer back on, and I've even applied heat shrink to the wires on the transformer. Makes it a little bit safer. So that's pretty much where we're up to. I've got the deck to service yet. That'll come up in part 4, sorry. And I've also replaced the valves. They've been replaced. They're two known good ones. I know they're okay, because I wouldn't have saved them otherwise, so I know that they're fine. So that's pretty much it. Join me again later when you see this lot go back into the case. And in part 4 I'll be, in part 4, I'll be servicing the BSR Monarch. It's the UA12. I'll be doing that in part 4. I'm doing a full job on the motor, the idler, and the mechanism. You've seen me do one of them before, but I will show it. I'll show it basically because it's a customer repair, so you know, I'll show it anyway, so he can see what I've done. Although I'll tell him what I've done, and the guy does actually trust me. But you know, I just think it's nice for him to see how I've done his particular unit. But yeah, this is almost, that bulb doesn't need to be down. I don't know what the bulb's for because there's no bulb on this. I think it fell off there earlier off the top of the windowsill. But yeah, there's the old metal rectifier, which is consigned to the bin. We should be all right without a resistor on here, because the reason why I say that is because every other Dansette I've done, I've not put a resistor on and they've been fine. These valves can take 200 volts up them. This transformer doesn't put that out. These transformers only tend to put out about 150 volts. But by the time your HT's got across to your other valves and stuff, it drops anyway. So, you know, should be okay. So we'll leave it there for now, and join me for the continuation of part 3 when I put all this lot back in the case tomorrow. Well, I'll say tomorrow, it's today now, isn't it? Fucking Thursday morning, 4 AM. About 4:30 now. Yeah, 4:38. Wow. Anyway, folks, you all take it easy, and I'll catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. Hi folks, I'm back. I've checked. I've just done some resistance checks, and R17 is a known failure point on this, but it's actually okay. And I've been round it and I'm pretty happy with it, so you know, I think we can start the reassembly, to be honest, and start putting things back and getting things soldered back up how they should be. That circuit was next to fucking useless. It's too smudged. I should have printed it out a bit bigger, but it got me there. Right, let's finish me fag. Yeah, I'm getting a bit despondent with YouTube at the moment, folks. I mean, you know, fucking, they allow you, what, fucking 2 seconds of fucking playing something. It's fucking wrong, that. And every time you put something up, some cunt somewhere copy matches it, content matches it. You know, it's all wrong. I mean, I thoroughly believe, and I don't care what people think, I'm gonna fucking say it anyway, I think that when somebody snuffs it, then their work should go into the public domain, and I don't give a fuck, that's my thought on it. Because their family didn't fucking write it, their friends or relation, whatever, didn't fucking write it, they wrote it, you know. When somebody passes on, this, whatever they wrote should go into the public domain. And that's the way I look at it. And, you know, but it doesn't happen, does it? You know, you get all these cunts creeping up, fucking content matching and shit like that. And half of them don't even own the fucking copyright. You know? But YouTube don't think to fucking check, they don't give a fuck, to be honest. All they're asked about is whether people are watching the fucking channels that are being put, the videos, the content that's being put up. I mean, it's all about making money, folks. That's what it's all about. It's all about fucking like somebody lining their pockets. Anyway, from now on, I'm not going to play any music, like I said on my other video. I can't remember if I uploaded that. But like I've already said, I'm not going to play any more music. I'm going to use this stereo test record. It's got tones and all sorts of shit on it. So that's what you're going to be getting from me from now on. Let them try fucking content matching that bastard. But like I say, if people fucking stop using YouTube and somebody sets up an equally good site for us to put our videos on, then I'd gladly use it. I'd gladly move over to it tomorrow. I mean, I've got all my videos on my computer. They're all stored, ready for another site to pop up that's better than YouTube, that doesn't have as many restrictions, and the fucking lot will be fucking uploaded to it in a bulk fucking... I've got it all sorted out so I can bulk upload it. You can't even go fucking live now unless you got it on a mobile device, unless you got a fucking 1,000 subscribers. That's fucking shite, that. Yeah, you can go live on a desktop with a webcam. You know, but I don't want to go live on a fucking desktop with a webcam. I want to use my mobile phone because it's convenient. But no, you can't do that now. I'll tell you what, folks, this world's fucking bad. There's too many fucking rules and regulations in it. Far too many for my fucking liking. And I'm not a rules and regulations man. You know, I'm not into all that shite. Yeah, I agree we have to have laws. Yeah, of course we do. Otherwise it'd be complete chaos. I agree with that. But I just think that you know, I think YouTube should fucking pay more attention to the people who use its services rather than people who try and fucking claim fucking revenue from fucking you know. Well, they won't be getting any more out of fucking me because I'm putting that on from now on. And if I do a radio, it'll just be talking. And I mean, to be perfectly honest with you, I wouldn't give a fuck if YouTube took my channel down tomorrow. I wouldn't give a shit. But you know, people who watch it would, because people enjoy it, and I know that. But you know, I'd just find somewhere else to set it up. There's got to be something somewhere. There was another channel, another site, sorry, that was. I think it got took down because they couldn't afford to. People who had it couldn't afford to run it. But see, YouTube get away with it because they've got no competition. There's nobody to say, look, you know, we're in competition with you and we're gonna do this, and you know, so you've got to do that now. But there's nobody like that, so it's not gonna happen. So I mean, YouTube was fucking great till fucking Google arsehole got hold of it. You know, as soon as Google took over YouTube, that was it. It was the end of it, as we know it anyway. Right, let's move some stuff because I need to bring this RG31 back up. Right, let's get some stuff out of the way. Where's my box for these? these back in the case, and what I'll do, I'll get that reassembled, and then we'll come back with a power up. We've got fresh valves in it. I've done the rectifier, so if it doesn't work then I'm just going to blanket replace all the resistors, but I hope it does, because I don't fancy doing that. But you know, I'll just replace the lot if it doesn't work. But let's hope. Put this up here for a minute. Right, let's clear a bit of space here, so that I can. They're the speaker wires, so we need those. Obviously, they're important. And clear a bit of space so that I can put the record player back. Yeah, my 0.5 UF capacitors came this morning. Let's just check them, make sure they're fucking at the right voltages that I ordered, because they're 47 NF. Just measure one. See what it says on the fucking. Oh, I'll put the tester away, fuck it. Deal with that later. I ordered 0.5 UF and they've sent me 47 NF. I hope they fucking match up. Anyway, folks, I'm gonna put this dance set together and we'll see how we get on. Be back soon. Oh, pardon me. Good morning, folks, and welcome. We're back on the RG, it's a Dynatron, the DANSETTE RG30 portable radiogram belonging to Phil. And basically, I've done a substantial amount of work on this, and now, glad to say, we've got full volume. It was it turned out to be R11. That was open circuit in the amplifier. So we turn it on.
The acidity eats away at their feet, often leaving them with just stumps to stand on. I hope that makes them feel better. Well, not really. I feel a bit.
There we go.
Should have done something. The chap pulled it back to the environment before making a bold pronouncement.
I am getting a lot of noise in here, by the way, folks. There's no horrible hums.
And I think
put it onto long wave. There we go. Something in the tuner there, but it doesn't matter. There's nothing. Not onto gram. There we are. And if I touch the cartridge wire, there. I'd say that's done, folks. I've just got to service his deck now, and I'm going to do that in a few minutes. And I don't know whether I'll do it all on video, but certainly some of it. So just so that you know, Phil can actually see what I'm actually doing, and you know, yeah, just basically that really. But yeah, that's good to go now. Apart from the deck, it's good to go. I am happy with that. It's taken me a couple of hours to sort it out over the course of a few videos. Well, more than a couple of hours actually, should I say a few hours. It's taken me a while to sort it out because, you know, but where the resistor is located, it goes underneath the output transformer. One end of it goes under the output transformer, so I think the intentions is that you take the output transformer out, and I weren't doing that. So I just popped the resistor on the bottom of the board. I know it's a dirty way of doing it, and you know there's going to be people say, well, you know, but it's easier and the thing still works, and it doesn't affect the operation of it, it doesn't affect its operation. So you know, it was just easier for me to do it that way, because to be perfectly honest, it's a pretty awkward circuit to work on. But I've got it there. And in the next video we will put a record on. We'll have the record, not the next video, the video after this, after the next one, because the next one we're going to look at the deck, and the video after that you will see this thing operating, and I think Phil's going to be a very happy man. So what did I say this was? This is part 3. Join me for part 4 when we come to look at the deck in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. More to come later. Bye for now.